Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Field Agent, Microtask and Mystery Shopping app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Field Agent is a microtask and mystery shopping app that pays users for completing small, real-world jobs. The platform connects brands with everyday consumers who perform tasks such as store audits, price checks, product photos, in-store surveys, availability checks, and mystery shopping visits. It is available on both iOS and Android and tailors tasks based on your location, allowing you to earn money by completing assignments nearby. The app's main feature is its task marketplace. You browse available jobs, accept one, follow the instructions, submit required photos or responses, and receive payment once the task is approved. Tasks can range from simple surveys to detailed retail audits, often with clear step-by-step guidelines for completion. Payouts are typically processed through in-app withdrawal options, allowing users to cash out after successful submissions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate that the app offers flexible earning opportunities, fast payouts, and straightforward instructions for most tasks. Field Agent is especially valued by users who enjoy quick, local gigs they can complete while shopping or running errands. The app's interface is simple, and task approvals are generally timely when instructions are followed correctly. However, there are some drawbacks. Task availability is highly dependent on your location, meaning users in smaller towns may see fewer earning opportunities. Some jobs require strict photo angles and detailed steps, and submissions can be rejected if they don't meet requirements. In addition, most tasks must be completed in physical stores, which may not suit users looking for fully remote earning options. In summary, the Field Agent app may be worth using if you want flexible, location-based microjobs, fast payouts, and don't mind visiting nearby stores to complete tasks. However, if task availability in your area is low or you prefer purely remote work, it might not be the ideal earning app for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.